Let's analyze IBM because in recent times, this one seems to be pushing performance. As you can see at the top right there, in terms of the news, today IBM announced its acquisition to acquire Confluent. So if we pull up Confluent over here, this one is a data streaming company. Right, you see it gapped up right there, right above, well, shortly after it reclaimed recently, the 200-day moving average, which is the pink line, as you can see, around the price of 22.5. So that's Confluent right there, but let's go back to IBM because this one is pretty interesting as they're really pushing performance lately. So if we look at the monthly, starting off with the bigger picture of IBM, we can see that, well, for many years, from like 2012 all the way for 10 years, 2022 to 2023, this thing was just mainly going sideways or sort of a decline, as you would see. And in recent years, it's now on a tear. So they're really pushing to get in front of this AI narrative. And I think what it seems like is that they missed out on the cloud movement, right? And so their stock wasn't really performing. But now, right, in the era of AI, it seems like they're making the right moves. So going forward, right, does this stock have potential? It's interesting to watch. Let's look at from a technical analysis on the daily right here. We can see that in recent times, it's been respecting the orange line, which is my 50-day moving average. And so currently today, it's just above 300, and 300 could act as that psychological whole dollar area, as well as it was being a prior resistance point over here at around 295. So 300, if it could hold, there is an opportunity, or in my opinion, there is a potential upside if we could hold that 300. Again, not investment advice, but if you folks want to learn more, check out my link in bio.